Hydrojetting is an exceptionally effective service for dealing with clogs, unpleasant odors, bacteria, and tree roots that have infiltrated sewer lines. Our highly skilled technicians will select the most suitable nozzle for your hydrojetting needs. By utilizing pressurized streams of water, hydrojetting can break up and expelling virtually any clog, including dirt, brine, debris, residue, and other obstructions that accumulate over time. This thorough cleaning of the pipes enhances their functionality and reduces the buildup of breathing residue. Additionally, our complimentary post-service sewer camera inspection provides a visual demonstration of the exceptional cleanliness achieved through hydrojetting. Don't hesitate to reach out to us today and benefit from our renowned drain cleaning service, hydrojetting.